a millionaire. Now, kilalanin natin ang ating contestant for tonight.
Ako nga pala si Rosa Nancheta, 18 years old. Nag-aaral sa FEU at working student ako. Naisipan ko sumali sa game show na to para matulungan yung mama ko na may sakit at mapag-aral ko yung mga kapatid ko.
Ngayon, kilalanin natin ang ating contestant na si Rose Ann Ancheta. How are you?
Okay po.
Hindi naman kaya nga ng tao, di po ba? So, nakita ko sa ating video na nag-aaral ka sa FEU East Asia, or ngayon tinatawag na siyang FEU Tech. So, anong year mo na nga pala po?
Third year na.
Third year na po. O ngayon, sige, tignan natin ang magsig ng mga engineers. Tignan natin ang talino nila. Punta ka na sa aking tanungan? Okay, let's start. This gameplay, meron tayo tatlong lifeline. First one is 50-50. The second one is call a friend. And the third one is ask the audience. So hindi siya mahihirapan kung magtanong ng mga questions or answer sa kanyang mga kakilala at sa ating mahal na audience. Now, for our 3,000 pesos question, what is the invention of Thomas Alva Edison? A. Is it the radio? B. Telegraph? Or C. Light bulb?
Letter C, light bulb.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Now, the correct answer is letter C, light bulb. Now, Miss Rose, this question worth 4,000 pesos. What is the nationality of the radio inventor Guglielmo Marconi? Is it A, Italian, B, Spanish, or C, Portuguese?
Letter A, Italian.
Miss Rose, are you sure is it A, or do you have any other answers?
Sure na ako sa letter A.
Letter A is the correct answer. Congratulations, you have 4,000 pesos.
Very good, ikaw.
Now, we're in the middle of our show, Miss Ancheta. The question is worth 7,000 pesos. The first mass-produced hardware of an MP3 player was A. Sony MP3, B. Satan's MP3 man, or C. Asus MP3.
Letter A.
Is that your final answer?
Parang ako kasi mali, so magbibi na lang ako para sure.
The correct answer is letter B. Miss Rose, we are now at our final round. At this round, you can use the three options for you to answer the last three questions worth 50,000 pesos, 500,000 pesos, and 1 million pesos. If you can get the right answers to these three questions, you will be the next millionaire. Now, these are the questions. The first question, worth 50,000 pesos. Who invented the first MP3 player? A. Thomas Edison, B. Tomislav Uzalak, or C. Edwin Armstrong.
Hello, Aimea. Nandito kasi ako sa game show. Sino ba yung nag-invent ng first MP3 player? May choices dito. A, si Thomas Edison, B, si Tomislav Uzalak, or D, Edwin Armstrong. Ano ba sagot dito? Alam ko, pag-aralan mo to eh.
Sa palagay ko, B, si Tomislav Uzalak.
Sure na ba yan? Oo. Sige, thank you, bye-bye.
This question is worth 100,000 pesos. Miss Rose, what did Edwin Armstrong invented? A. Radio, B. Telegraph, or C. Super heterodyne receiver?
Hello, Nika.
Hello?
May tatanong sana ako sa'yo kasi nandito ako ngayon sa Wants to be a Millionaire. Ano bang ginawa ni Edwin Armstrong? Ano yung in-invent niya? Nakalagay kasi dito, A, radio, B, telegraph, C, super heterodyne receiver. Malapit na sa jackpot eh.
Ang alam ko, Edwin Armstrong, di ba?
Oo.
Letter C. I'll go for letter C.
Sige, thank you. Nasasagot ko. Thanks.
Now, Rose, this is your final question and will determine if you will be the next millionaire or not. This question is worth 1 million pesos. Miss Rose, on October 1, 1982, what did Sony introduce similar in the first compact disc audio CD player? Is it A, compact disc player, B, player CD, or C, CDP-101?
Hello, Christy. Nandito ko ngayon sa game show. Kailangan ko ng tulong mo. Ito yung tanong. On October 31, 1982, what Sony introduced the first compact disc audio CD player? May tatlong choices dito. A, compact disc player. B, player CD. C, CDP-101.
Sa tingin ka letter C, CDP-101.
Sure na ba yan? Promise na promise? Sige, thank you very much. Kamsahamnida.
Miss Rose, you have won 1 million pesos. Congratulations! Talaga palang magagaling ang nag-aaral sa FEU Tech. Gamitin mo ang perang iyong napalalunan sa tama at sa iyong pag-aaral. Maraming salamat sa pagsali dito sa Who Wants to be a Millionaire. At sa ating mga audience, maraming salamat. Till next time!